Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to play Catizen in Telegram. For that, make sure you have the Telegram application and you're logged into your account. Now at the search bar, you have to simply search for Catizen. Now at the first, you can see Catizen bot. You need to tap on it. Now Catizen is a new game developed on the Ton platform. The main goal of the game is to breed cats and earn game tokens. It is also a Telegram-based crypto game where you can earn Catizen coins by managing a city of cats. Now you have to simply tap on Start. Now there you can see Play option at the bottom left. Tap on it. Now simply tap on Launch. Now here you need to pair each cat according to their label. Wait for citizens to adopt a cat to earn coins. Head to Earn tab and complete social quest and daily check-ins. You can also refer new users in the Invite tab. And this is how you can play Catizen on Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.